Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Bebella x Jenni Rivera collab. But before we go on, guys, let me just say, do you guys look, do you see this glow? Like, I'm literally obsessed, and I'm not even trying to be dramatic about this, but I am at the same time. This shit's bomb. So what I'm wearing is the Patrick Ta 4 Body Major Glow Body Oil in the tone, A Vision. So this is what it is. And okay, so I had seen it on Instagram, and then when I went to Sephora, the first thing that I saw when I walked in was this. And I was like, you know what? Like, is the hype really real about that? Like, should I get it? And like, I grabbed it, the sample, and I sprayed it, and I looked at it, and I was like, girl, this shit's fire. So I decided to buy it. And today, I bought it, I think last week, and I didn't use it up until today. And I'm like, I've been missing out, sis, because this shit is bomb. Like, don't get me wrong, but my titties look bomb. Like, this situation right here, this look is bomb. And you guys are like, Erika, chill the fuck out. But I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself and just needed a little moment. So if you guys have not if you guys have not tried this out, but you've seen it, I definitely recommend you do. You can find it at Sephora. That is where I got mine. Or I believe you can just shop online at Patrick Ta Beauty. I think is what, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, at Patrick Ta Beauty. Yeah. So get this. They also have a darker shade. So if you're not as light as I am and you are of a darker complexion, they do have other shades. So check them out. But now for what this video is for, or what am I trying to say? All right, so now to show you guys the PR box. I'm just like gonna cover all this. This is the box. So what I'm covering basically is just their shipping info and mine. But let me grab some scissors. I got this about a week ago, but I honestly did not open it because I wanted to film this. So let's get it open. By the way, Bebella and Bebella Beauty Creations is a sister company. They always blow me away with their packages, and their packaging alone, they're super, what is the word? Like, they're very careful with their products, so they always send it in hella bubble wrap, which I love, because one time, I don't want to mention the brand, I actually purchased something and they didn't send it to me with bubble wrap, and it was broken. So, and it was a palette, so I was so mad about it. But I appreciate that Bebella be doing the most. Let me just get this. Are you guys ready? Because I don't know if you guys are ready. Well, here it is. This is actually the first time I'm seeing it, and yo, this shit's cute. So this is the Bebella and Jenni Rivera collaboration. And before I go on, I do want to say that I did see in the vlog that I filmed, on the comments, that some people were saying, oh, you guys don't get why people are making money off someone who has passed away. I just want to say that I have nothing to do, with that. And I understand your guys' concern. However, something that they did say at the launch party was they did this in her honor, because this was something that she had sketched out and planned out. So it's not like they were just like, oh, let's just come up with this, I would say collaboration with this palette, lashes, etc. And it was all on their own. According to them, they did say that Jenni had something planned like this, and she basically left like a blueprint, and they just decided to pursue that and, follow along with what she left. So just wanted to throw that out there, that they said she did have this, like I said, planned out. So they just followed her dream for her. Now, back to what we were talking about. This is amazing. Honestly, do you guys see that reflection? Oh my God, it's bomb. I'm the type of person who I keep packages. So I have one up here from Araceli Beauty. I thought that their box was so perfect. Like, I don't know, and also goes with my room. So I left that there. Golden Paradise, oh, this thing already wants to open. Golden Paradise also has a really cute box, so I left that one up there as well, which you guys can't see, but I can see every time I come in here. And the Makeup Shock, oh my God. The Makeup Shack box from, the PR box from their liquid eyeshadows. Ooh, bitch, that thing is suede. I think you guys might even be able to see it back in that mirror, but because it's over here and you can see it through the mirror, I believe you guys can see it. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can. It's like over there. I think they're so cute, and I'm the type of person to keep little things like that just because I think they're cute. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be keeping this somewhere in my room. So let's, oh my God, I'm dropping something. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm not ready. All right, I'm afraid I'm gonna drop some, you see? I already knew it. Okay, let's see. This is what it is, and in the back it says, a mariposa who has dreams, an unbreakable heart, and a voice that gives all women strength. In honor of La Diva, we bring you a collab that has been 3 years in the making. Through moments of laughter and tears, we will forever be reminded by this mariposa to pave our own way. Happy birthday, Jenni. Guys, there you go. There you go. So let me open this up. Oh my God, I can't even open it. Gorgeous. I hope you guys can see it. I'm living for that. So I'm just gonna put it down and open things because I know that if I try to like pull anything out like that, go and drop everything. But the first one that I'm gonna be showing you guys is the palette. This is the Unforgettable palette. Wow, that is honestly, I live for this. I love when brands actually like take the time to create like really nice packaging, because if there's anything that I love, it's packaging. And when I really love something, I will keep it and I will just put it up as decor, as well as I'll use it obviously, but I'll keep it as decor because I'm not the type of person to throw anything away. But I love this, I honestly do. So now let's open that up. Honestly, these shades are gorgeous. I don't want to be doing swatches of it because probably not the best at swatches, if I'm gonna be honest. And I will just wait to actually try the eyeshadows out because, I mean, I don't know, what if I swatch it and I don't know how to do a swatch and I'm like, this shadow is not pigmented, but I just didn't swatch it right. Sorry if you guys hear my daughter in the background. So we're just not even gonna go there. But the next thing is the, I'm like, yeah, they are. The Unforgettable lashes. It says, maybe I'm not a superwoman, maybe I'm not Wonder Woman, but I am unbreakable. They're not gonna break me. Jenni Rivera. That is so cute. And let's open her up. Gorgeous. So these are more simple lashes. I'm gonna admit that when I was at the launch party, I did see these lashes. I tried holding myself back to not stare at the products because I didn't want to like, I wanted to film this first impression, so I didn't want to like look at stuff and be like, I already saw it, you know? But when I saw the lashes, I could not hold myself back because the other ones, when I show you guys them, you're gonna see how dramatic they are. And I was like, girl, that is a me in a lash. These are a little more simple, but if I'm correct, there's a day collection and the night collection. The white packaging is day and then the silver is the night. So next up we have the Queen highlight. So let's open her up. Wow, I want to swatch this. This I'll swatch. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. So wait, let me swatch the other one. So I do want to admit that I kind of swatched two of I swatched the highlights because when I dropped this little slip, one of the highlighting shades came out with it and I was like, let me see. And I swatched it, but let me swatch the other one because the other one I didn't. That way we can see both of them. Okay, so this other one, which I didn't show you, is Dama Divina. Let me open her up now. And these are both of them next to each other. I can honestly say right now that this one's not gonna fit me because I am of a light complexion. And this, when I put it on myself, it looks like I didn't know how to color match a highlight on me, which it'll be too dark for my face. I can use it on my eyes, but it's a highlighter, so it's not gonna be meant for that. So I'll probably just use it on my clients. But this one, I'm keeping. This one honestly fits me. But let me just show you guys the swatches. So this one right here, oh, you guys you can barely see it. I can see it up here, but this one is Queen, the lighter one, and the dark one, you see how that's too dark for me? It's because I'm of lighter complexion. That is Dama Divina. But they are both, both. I said both. Very gorgeous. Let me set those aside. Next up are the Diva lashes, which are the ones that I told you guys I actually already saw. However, they are gorgeous. So I'm gonna put them up next to the Unforgettable ones so you guys can see the difference. I know you guys are probably like, girl, you just said both of them are gorgeous. Well, they are, but the other one is, this top one is obviously more dramatic and the Unforgettable are more simple. And then this one on the back, Diva says, God created me, my parents conceived me, but my fans made me. I am eternally grateful. That is cute. Honestly, I live for all this packaging. I appreciate that. I'm someone who loves makeup. I go to Sephora and I buy makeup and I don't even use it sometimes. But that's just because I want to try new makeup or I like the way it looks, because I genuinely love makeup. And packaging to me is everything. So I live for this. But here we have the Diva palette. Ooh, oops. I need to get my life together. That is gorgeous. Honestly, I saw this first blue shade right now, and that is really pretty. If you guys know me, royal blue is my favorite color, and big booty is what it's called. I like that name, big booty. I'm sorry guys, a big booty is a poppin'. So this is the Diva palette. Gorgeous. Actually, if you guys didn't know, I'm having a seminar on September 8th, my second seminar. So I just want to take the time to say thank you to you guys for giving me the opportunity to have another event like this. And if you guys are interested in buying tickets, I will be linking them down below as well. If you go on my Instagram, they are in the link in the bio. But I'll be giving away this palette at my seminar. So if you do go, you might have the chance to win the palette. So that's another reason I don't want to swatch it. So that is honestly it for the PR box. My first impression of this is that it's gorgeous. You can tell that they did not hold back when, you know, coming up with this. And I'm like looking at it, but let me show it to you guys again. It's gorgeous. I don't want to open it up because I know I'm going to drop everything, but maybe you can lean it back and just give you guys a little glance. Again, it's gorgeous. My first impression is it's very, very, very nice. The highlight, I can honestly tell you guys, I really like. The other one is a little too dark, but it's fine. The palette, the lashes, very beautiful. I just realized I said a bunch of times. I'm sorry about that. Lashes, definitely love those. One that is a little more simple is obviously more for day, but the night ones will be using them in day too because they are popping. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, please do so. My Instagram is muaerika18. If you have not subscribed to my channel, girl, you're already here. You might as well subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you loved it, if you're like, just another makeup brand, whatever it is you have to say, let me know. And it's gonna be something negative. Like I said, I didn't create this. I do love it, and for what they told us, I'm with it if it's in her honor, and I think it is. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.